Hi guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome to Home on the Hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
Hang out with us for a little while. Let's answer some questions. Today, we're at Campers Inn and we're doing things a little different. So stay tuned. But this is a 2022 Winnebago. And what was the name of it? What? Forza? Forza 2022 Winnebago Forza. And it's absolutely beautiful.
I think she's like 34 feet long.
Yeah. So in the front, that just where the Winnebago is written there, that's going to be a slide out where the generator's at. It's housed. I'm not 100% sure how to pull it out. It's probably actually auto with a powered motor. From this side, I would imagine. In this compartment here, you've got a bunch of fuse access. I'm not even sure, but it's got a lot of fuses in there. So down at the bottom there is the exhaust for the generator. Giant shiny tires and chrome wheels. Freightliner. So Freightliner chassis. Moving on past that. Looks like we've got propane and the water pump in that door, as well as a little storage alcove there. That's pretty big pass-through storage. Next, besides that, is a dedicated water bay. Pretty sweet.
I like that they put a light in there.
Yeah, it's all together. There's a filter already there, and it's on its own compartment, so that's really nice. Above that, you'll see the furnace exhaust. You got your def tank here with the 50 amp power cable. In the back, I believe those are going to be starting batteries probably. And you've got the Truma AquaGo on-demand water heater. So really nice there. Coming around the back, really nice end cap with the Forza, as well as your tow hitch for your toad. What we got going on here? Looks like those are going to be your house batteries. Some more storage next to that with carpeted bottom, and the other side of that pass through. Lots and lots of storage. So, whatever that is locked. So, and that is another storage. So, plenty of storage. But so let's get started looking at the inside first. This is a 2022 Forza. We said that already, right? Oh, it's got freshwater tank 84 gallons, black tank 48 gallons, gray water 54 gallons, and propane of 23. Really nice.
All right, so when you initially walk in, you've got your controls down here at the bottom. Right when you walk in the door, and it has these beautiful wood steps, but you're going to see a lot of wood throughout here.
Yeah,
amazing.
It's very nice.
Mm-hmm. And they really paid a lot of attention to detail because the door is also wallpapered, so it looks like a solid design. Nice. Right.
I like that.
So this place has so much storage. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. I do like that there is no drop-off in the cockpit here.
There's no doghouse to step over because
no.
it's a diesel pusher.
Right, so it's all very, very neat.
Mm-hmm. Super nice. I'm sure these swivel around to become part of your, seating. It looks like you've got blackout shades in the front. Very nice.
Yeah, you have these shades
Close
throughout.
everything down.
This bed is electronic, so it has a switch here.
Cool.
Take it.
Yeah, they left the keys in there. But I think it's got to be on. Like,
Right, it's not.
the ignition's got to be on.
Right. So when the bed's down, you have storage here, and
All right.
I like the fireplace. You've got ample seat belts for
Everybody to ride.
4, 5, 6 more people.
Just give you a quick look at the driver's cockpit area. Looks like it's got some type of digital dash screen down there. Electronic leveling as well. So that's really nice. You've got a lot of area in front of the passenger, which is really nice. And it looks like there's some type of fold-up table there on that side. Okay.
All right, y'all. I really love these cabinets. Like, you've got so much space for all of your food in here. Plus, they've already thought to line the shelving so that when you're
That's
driving
nice.
down the road, it's not rattling and making all those
Very
horrible
nice.
noises. You can see. I mean, this is huge. It has a convection micro oven and a 3-burner stove, along with some amazing drawer space. And you've got 6 drawers and a cutlery drawer, and there's room underneath the sink, the divided farm style sink, for a trash can. Good deal.
All right, now we got some lights. Sorry about that, guys.
And you get to see the control panel lit up over here.
Did it?
Yeah. All right, so here you can see the control panel that's going to show you the gray and freshwater tanks and your batteries and all this, and then an AquaGo thermostat for your
Well, that's
hot
really
water
cool.
heater. And I love that they put a little shelf right here so that you can put your park information whenever you
yeah.
stay somewhere, so that you
You
have
got
that
all the
handy.
handy stuff for
Because you should
emergency
always,
numbers.
yes, you should always have park information there so that you can have an address, because most of us call from our cell phones and, we're not from there. It has this amazing residential refrigerator.
That is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice appliances.
Yeah, lots of room, ice maker.
Pretty big convection microwave too.
And then you've got a giant full-length mirror, which I love this. And then you have a bathroom. So a few things to point out. You have a nice shallow cabinet area. This one is divided. It does come with a bidet sprayer and a toilet paper holder, which we're seeing more and more of those already installed, which is a great thing. I love the stainless sink and the medicine cabinet. The shower is really nice also. There you go. It has a little seat in it. Right, and then I love the panels that they put on the washer and dryer doors. They use the same wood and just cut slits out of it, so it seems like much better quality.
That's cool.
And it makes a cohesive design throughout the unit. So it has some privacy, so that if you are traveling with people, you it has a pocket door here, or pocket door. And I like the way that it locks. Instead of having the strap that is always in the way, it has a button that you push down, so you can lock it. Right. Oh, and it latches, so you have to push the button down to open it again.
Very nice.
This rig does have 2 air conditioners,
Mm-hmm.
one in the front, one in the back. I do like that there are no vents in the floor. They are in the walls or the ceiling, so that's really nice. That's a nice touch.
It is.
I like the padded headboard and the nightstands in here. That's just something you don't see, that both sides have a nightstand and a drawer. This is even like a little desk. It has the connects where you can wirelessly charge your electronics.
Your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah.
Lots of storage.
Oh, and then this is cool. You've got a little keypad here that controls the lights throughout the rig.
Underneath the bed, that's nice.
this is also a sleep number bed. Freedom Air, integrated air sleep technology. So
Very
you
nice.
have dual controls for that. That's huge.
Oh, it's so hot.
Oh, and I love this closet.
Yeah.
It is all a hanging wardrobe
Hanging
that is pass through.
It's humongous.
It is humongous. And then you've got
Gigantuous.
then you've got 4 very large drawers underneath. So there is no reason that you cannot travel in style.
That's right. This is very nice. So they don't have a asking price, but the delivery price from the manufacturer is $296,000. But
Well, I think
I'm sure you could probably get it for a lot less than that. But
you've got this beautiful real wood paneling
very nice.
throughout, and a Whirlpool refrigerator.
I'm just glad I don't like the Class A's, and we don't do Class A's a lot, so we're trying to learn about them as well. But the bathroom is on one side. I don't like the Class A's that have like this split bathroom that's kind of in the hall. That's real weird. So, all right, guys. So that's going to do it for this very hot and sweaty one.
Yeah. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you like this content. Leave us a like and a comment. We want to know, what did you like about this rig, or what is something that you might change about it.
All right. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care of each other, love each other,
and make every moment count.
See you next time, guys.